You got your boots on? Huh? Are you all ready to go out in the snow? Come here. Try to come. I'll be careful. Harley! That's Harley wearing his Reeboks. You sound like a horsey. Hi, buddy. Such a good boy. Macy doesn't have her shoes on yet. The snow on that table had collapsed. I'm going to say a good 6 inches. That's our little snow mountain that we're making. We have to have some place to put the snow. Here comes Harley in his boots. Hi, buddy. Hi. You like your boots? Yeah. You can walk without any snow in your toes. That is so nice. Yeah, don't eat the snow. It makes you sick. Harley, don't do that. It makes you sick. Harley, don't do that. Cut it out. I want to just, I had to stop and look for my Zoom thing. Over there is my tomato cage. It's where I grow my tomatoes in the summertime. And I have to put them inside of a cage because squirrels eat them. They don't actually eat the tomatoes, they just taste them and then throw them away. So I had to build a cage. It had 18 inches of snow on the roof, but the roof caved in. Even though the roof was only made of deer mesh, which is a mesh that keeps deer from eating your crops. Uh-oh, I'm getting snow on my lens. Hi, Harley. Macy likes to sit in the snow. She doesn't like to walk around in it, but she loves to hang out in it. You are a happy guy. Huh? You got your boots on, your feet feel good. What a newfie looks like when it snows. I'm Ace. How you doing? So I'm bored. All you can do is lay around in this stuff. I'm Macy. I can't see your face. Huh? Where is it? There. You can't see your face, baby. I'll be curious to see if I actually get this. My little Nanook of the North.